Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix left speaker not working on Mac. So if you can't hear any sound from the left speaker on your Mac, the problem is not always a damaged speaker. Sometimes the audio balance is accidentally shifted completely to the right, causing all the sound to playing through only one speaker. Before assuming it's hardware issue, it's a good idea to check your sound balance setting. So if you would like to fix this issue, first click on the Apple logo and choose system settings. Now go to sound and under output section, make sure your Mac's built-in speaker is selected as an output device if you are testing the internal speakers. Now locate the balance slider and if it's moved toward the right, drag it back to center so both speaker can receive the equal audio output. Now play a music track or video that has stereo audio and check whether sound is coming from both left or right speakers. And if the left speaker still does not produce any sound, after resetting the balance, restart your Mac and test again to rule out a temporary software issue. And once the balance restored and everything worked correctly, audio sound play normally through both speakers. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.